is responsible for that. I had coffee in the afternoon. I should know better. But I was out with a friend for a walk, so we had a coffee, and anyway, gotta revive those eyes because I got meetings today, so we're gonna use the power of cucumber. Nice, fresh and cold from the fridge. We apply them on the eyes to take away the puffiness, to take away all the inflammation, and to revive us. It takes away the soreness. It hydrates deeply. It's very good for your skin. Your skin holds the hydration that the water in the cucumber provides. It's just amazing results, ladies. You just have to remember. Doesn't always take a very expensive eye cream to revive you. Cucumber. There are a lot of beautiful natural things in our fridge, in our garden in the summer, when we have, because right now it's winter here in Canada and it's very cold and it's got snow outside. But anyway, for those who can grow your own, that's even better. So this is a remarkable alternative to an expensive eye cream. You can put it on just a few minutes and it does its work. It's miracle how it revives the eyes. You know, sometimes you've been crying because you had a bad day and your eyes are sore and they're puffy. Run to your fridge, take a few slices of cucumber, apply it. It's amazing what it does. And then rub it on your skin, the rest of the juice, because it does just that. It's miracle work. And the miracle work is that it hydrates very deeply the skin barrier, which is very important for moisturization, for plumping your skin and restoring. So right after that, we're going to do a very fast makeup. So 20 minutes and you're out the door looking fabulous, even though you had 0 sleep. You can always look fab at any age. Okay, so we did it right after the cucumber application and the little makeup that I did. So here's the finished product. Although I didn't have any sleep last night and I'm really tired, makeup always enhances our features, and we try to hide all the flaws. So this is very light makeup with and what I mean light is that I have my powder on my skin instead of foundation and concealers and all that other stuff that goes underneath, which is a much more lengthier work. So we just use powder, some blush, lipstick, a little bit of contouring, 2 colors, purple and the vanilla ice as a base all over the eye. I have not enhanced, I did not define my eyebrows because I have no time. Like I said, it had to be in less than 20 minutes. I gotta get out of here. So here's the finished product after having the cucumber compresses or reviving miracle works. And of course I left it on my skin as a base, and then I used my moisturizer, and then I went into my powder, blush, eyes, lipstick, mascara, a little bit of definition on the corner there with the eyeliner, and I'm ready to go. So I hope this has helped, and that you can use some of the tips that I'm giving in this video. Much more to come. Don't forget to like, share my videos with your friends, and please subscribe so we can continue to make all these other videos for you with wonderful, insightful beauty tips, health elixirs that will help your skin stay young without the help of Botox or any kind of fillers. This is natural. So yes, you can look fabulous at 60 with just the right skincare steps, for as long as you make the time and you dedicate a certain time of the day and at night to cleanse your skin, tone, moisturize, have your mask once or twice a week. More videos to come on that as to the different types of skin, what types of masks you should be applying, and for different occasions, like last night, no sleep occasion, and I need to get myself looking presentable, a quick makeover where I can actually go through the day without looking, yeah. Because every time you glance in the mirror, you know, you look at yourself and you go, oh my God, I'm sick, I'm so tired. Well, I won't be saying that today, because even though I don't have any energy from not sleeping, from lack of sleep, I will glance at myself and say, I can do this. I can definitely do this today. I can carry the whole day and complete all my tasks. So again, thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, hit that red button right below, and hit the like. And I look forward to see you. Love you. Love and peace. Cheers.